would you put that on your car? Just so we can take
Why would I put that on my car? Why?
That should be the beginning.
Yeah. Why would I put, what do you mean?
The star.
What do you mean? What about it?
Why would you put the cowgirl star on your car? That's like the most stupidest choice in your life.
All right, guys, we're back with another video from Straight Outta Content, and we are here with Flash Custom Transfers. She's on the ones and twos. We are actually going to apply some Uvdtf to my car, to my old beat up Kia. This thing is raggedy. Don't get a Kia, and if you do, I can help you get your engine fixed. Anyway, so I have this whack, raggedy Dallas Cowboy sticker. So I'm gonna show you guys how to apply Uvdtf and how to remove it from your glass, okay? So we've got the squeegee to apply it. What's up, baby girl? Oh, you look cute.
Get it, girl.
Get it, girl. You look big.
You look beautiful.
And then we're gonna use this scraper right here. This is actually a glass blade. I'll leave a link down below. We use this to remove all types of stickers and glass. This is a special blade. Back here, you see this right here is peeling up.
And that is permanent.
Thank you, tell them, babe.
I mean, permanent vinyl 651. So it's, you know, it says permanent, but at the end of the day, it is not as long lasting as our Uvdtf. No. As you can see, it's cracking. Really not much colors to fade. It's peeling, so don't recommend that for long lasting. No, neither one of our products will do that. As you can see, this right here is our traditional vinyl eco-friendly decals, stickers. We do have these on the website. Those are a minimum of 50 stickers though. You're having to order in a minimum of 50. So now we have these Uvdtf, which you can order by the gang sheet, get all different custom images for only 45 bucks. And the gang sheet is 22 by 24. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this right, I'll probably put it like right here because I am gonna take it off. And then, but I'm gonna show you guys how to apply it properly to your car. So if you are a Dallas Cowgirls fan, you can go ahead and get you these little girl stars and you can put them all over your car and then you can rock out. But if you're not a fan of the Dallas Cowgirls like me, then don't do this. All right, first thing you wanna do is prep your surface. So we're just gonna use some regular alcohol and check out the video where we made this custom alcohol bottle. We are gonna put a disclaimer so the kids don't mess with it. Wipe this clean, wipe this clean. Step one. Step one, wipe clean. With alcohol, Windex, like that. Oh, get off. Look at the alcohol wiping the, see? Oh, it wiped off our ink? It wiped off the ink. It won't, that won't happen with our logo. It sure won't, I already tried it. Yep, that will not happen with Uvdtf. That's the difference. Oh, show them how to peel it, babe. Oh, well, yeah, you gotta squeegee it down. Step two. Step two, squeegee it down. So it can press into the film to come off of the backing. You flip it over and you peel. It's gonna take trial and error for you to get your techniques down, but it's just practice. Just practice. Practice is what you need, all right? And we're gonna place this. Then we apply Dallas Cowgirl star on there. And just start from the middle. Rub and peel. Rub it and peel. Squeegee it on there. Oh crap. What? The little paper went. You can really do it with your fingers though. Oh yeah, my bad. You don't need that. I'm doing too much. What's cool is, I mean, you can feel it here, but you can see how transparent it is. And don't forget, you can go really big. You're not forced to do little small logos. Our gang sheet is about the size of this door. Do this side. Do this side? Okay. And we're gonna peel. Look at that. Nice. For all you Cowgirls fans out there, guys, that is Uvdtf. And as you can see, whereas before the alcohol brought the ink off of the traditional sticker, Uvdtf will not. And if there is a little residue, that alcohol will get rid of it. Yep. So you can definitely go over it with alcohol just to clean it up a little bit. Yep, and use a rag because this paper towel is gonna. It's leaving lint. It's leaving lint everywhere. Yeah. So that is that. That is on there. Now it is time to remove it. And then you can feel the star. Yeah. You can feel it. It is super. Why would you put that on your car? Huh? Why would you put that on your car? Just so we can take it off. Why would I put that on my car? Why? That should be the beginning. Yeah. Why would I put? What do you mean? The star. What do you mean? What about it? Why would you put the cowgirl star on your car?
That's like the most stupidest choice in your life.
You guys heard it from the girl herself. You heard it from the queen, of the princess of the family. Hey, listen. You know what time it is. Niner Nation.
She didn't catch the bit.
Yeah, she didn't catch the bit. Niner Nation. So, like I said, you could use this, but this is not a blade meant for glass. So, I mean, you could start to get it up with.
Let me see if I can do it with my fingernail.
Oh yeah, try.
First, and let me just see how easy it comes off. Oh, okay. So it will break apart.
Mm-hmm.
So if you try to peel it, it will break apart. So
Yep.
yeah, then doing it with the scraper so you can get the whole image at one time.
If all you have is a regular paint scraper, that's cool. But this, like I said, is not designed for glass.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
So that's why we use one of these.
Doesn't scratch the glass. Oh, that's perfect.
Mm-hmm. And I'll probably take this off too and print a new one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we have one.
Yeah, we go.
Yeah.
Oh, you can do our UV.
Yeah, I can do FlashUV.
Yeah.
Let's celebrate getting the cowgirl star off of our
This cowgirl star off of the car, babe.
Your papa likes cowboys.
Okay, and he's a little bit of
Don't say nothing crazy while on camera. Oh.
a little bit of a cuckoo.
Our papa likes cowboys too. All papas like cowboys.
And it lasts $20, right? Or no? Was that
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
It lasts $20 because you believed in the
Oh yeah.
Alrighty,
Oh, that's
that is it. Comes right off, guys.
good.
All you need is a scraper tool like this, and I'll put this in the link in the description below. And then you can just use some alcohol to break up that ink.
That adhesive.
That adhesive.
We don't play about our sticky adhesive.
More alcohol on there.
There we go, like new. And I'm assuming the same way on water bottles and things like
Yes,
that.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Yep. So that's gonna be it, guys. I was able to put that raggedy schmaggedy Dallas Cowgirl sticker on there. And let's go inside because I don't want the music being played over there to mess with the video.
Oh, okay. Ew! Not.
You know, I like to chop stuff up. Anyway, that's gonna be it, guys. Sorry, our neighbors are always playing super loud music and ruining our videos. So that's gonna be it, guys. As you can see, I pressed this Dallas Cowgirl stick. Good Lord, Shelly, I can't film without you.
Excuse me, it's in the way.
Anyway, this Dallas Cowgirl stickers. Look, she's trying to mess up my video.
What?
Listen, we know what time it is.
I have to back all the way into the kitchen because you're so
Niner
tall.
Nation. Niner. No, I just ripped it outside. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. As you guys can see, we were able to apply and remove the Uvdtf sticker, decals, or whatever you want to call them. You were able to 100% remove them, and it's really easy. All you need is just a really cool scraper tool. So we will link that in the description below, and then you guys will be able to remove it from glass and other things like that. So we'll also do removing it from substrates like this and stuff like that. So every time we make a video on how to apply, we will also make a video on how to remove. And stay tuned for Chelly's next video because she's gonna take this boring old, what is this? Jar?
It's a mason jar.
Mason jar jug handle cup thingy. And she's gonna turn it into something exclusive just for you guys. So stay tuned for that next video, guys. And remember, you can get all your Uvdtf at FlashCustomTransfers.com. You can get all your graphics done at FlashCustomTransfers.com. If you have any questions, email us at ordernow@FlashCustomTransfers.com. Peace.